2022 F350 Tremor walk around. It's a Lariat, 6.7 diesel, always cleaned, properly maintained, fuel filters every 15,000, oil change every 5. Has the Blackout package with the LED lights, 20-inch aftermarket wheels, tires have about 15,000 miles on them. Super clean truck, garage kept. Comes with the Gen Y hitch. It's a torsion hitch. Factory spray and bed liner with a aftermarket rug. We've got a step here. Bilstien shocks and struts. Got rid of the Tremor. They were making noise, factory stock when it was new. Interior is in perfect shape. Not even a crease on the leather. 49,000 miles. Heated and cooled. With the Panoramic sunroof. This is a carpet delete option. This truck was custom ordered just the way I wanted it. Zero issues. Truck runs flawlessly.